everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of October 2025 on Monday. Nkunzi gears up for war against insizwa. Prince's plan aside when he realizes he has in fact underplanned. Figile gives Wu a piece of the past that could be an important building block for the future on Tuesday. Instead of prepare for a fight they can't escape. Madlala fumes as Madongwe put personal matters over work while the helper advises Prince on how to prove himself to Nomaracha on Wednesday. Noktule's visit to the Mhlongo's house 10 things around for Insizwa. After her conversation with Madongwe, Lily is left with something to chew on, and the Hlobos try to shame Mrs. Ngema in vain on Thursday. Kazimulo's anger gets the better of him, and Pastor Sbu shows a different side to himself, and Prince makes a big, bold, and expensive move on Friday. Geja is shattered when he learns about Noktula's betrayal. Sbu is asked to cut his hair, and Sihlobo sings Figile's praises. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.